In a whirlwind turn of events that has left fans of 1000 LB Sisters both shocked and excited, speculation is mounting that Amy Slayton and her fiancé Brian Lovan may have already tied the knot in secret. The rumors began swirling after several subtle hints and surprising social media behavior sparked massive buzz in the fan community. While neither Amy nor Brian has made an official announcement, a growing body of clues is fueling the belief that a secret ceremony may have already taken place, or is imminent. The evidence, both direct and indirect, paints a compelling picture that begs the question, are Amy Slayton and Brian Lovan already husband and wife? Let's dive into what's led fans and followers to believe the big day may have come and gone without the cameras rolling. Amy, a beloved and longtime cast member of the TLC reality hit, has long shared her life journey with the public, from dramatic weight loss transformations to her emotional struggles and family drama. Her previous marriage to Michael Halterman, with whom she shares 2 children, ended in divorce, marking a painful but transformative chapter in her story. Enter Brian Lovan, a new figure in Amy's life who, by all appearances, brings her happiness, stability, and a fresh start. The two went public with their relationship only months ago, and fans immediately took notice of how different this relationship felt. Brian, a seemingly grounded and gentle man, began appearing in more and more photos with Amy, attending family outings and even helping with her kids. As of recently, those who follow Amy's social media closely have noticed she has started using his last name in a few comments and TikTok videos, referring to herself subtly as Amy Lovan. That small but meaningful shift did not go unnoticed. Fans began questioning whether this was a mere joke or a hint at a deeper commitment. But the clues don't stop there. Eagle-eyed followers have also noticed the disappearance of the word fiancé in some of Amy's captions, replaced with phrases like my love, my forever, and even my hubby, sparking waves of speculation. Furthermore, Amy was recently spotted wearing what appears to be a wedding band alongside her engagement ring. While many fans assumed the band was simply part of her engagement ring set, others believe this could indicate a quiet, intimate wedding ceremony. Adding to the buzz was a now-deleted Facebook post from a close family member congratulating Amy on her new chapter, and wishing her and Brian a lifetime of happiness together. While the post was swiftly removed, screenshots quickly circulated, leading to a firestorm of questions and fan theories. Some followers even claim that Amy's recent TikTok content shows her in a more relaxed, peaceful state, suggesting a sense of closure and celebration. She's smiling more, dancing in videos, and frequently sharing affectionate clips with Brian and her children. This stark contrast from the emotional toll seen during her separation from Michael has led many to believe that Amy has entered a new, blissful stage of her life. Adding fuel to the fire is the fact that neither Amy nor Brian has directly addressed the marriage rumors. When asked in a recent live stream if she and Brian were officially married, Amy simply smiled and said, "You'll find out soon enough." That cryptic response only heightened the mystery. Some speculate that the couple may be saving the reveal for a future episode of 1000 LB Sisters, or even a new TLC special. TLC has a history of keeping major life events under wraps to preserve surprise and anticipation for the show. If that's the case, fans may need to wait a while before getting confirmation. Meanwhile, Brian himself has remained low-key, rarely posting anything online and staying largely out of the spotlight, something that fans have actually appreciated. Unlike Amy's ex-husband, Brian seems less interested in fame and more focused on supporting Amy and building a life together. The contrast is striking, and fans have commented repeatedly on how genuinely happy Amy appears with him. "She just glows when she's around him," one fan wrote on Reddit. "It's like a whole new Amy." Another fan chimed in, "She deserves this kind of love. If she did get married in private, I wouldn't blame her one bit." While fans have overwhelmingly responded positively to the idea of Amy and Brian tying the knot, there are others who have expressed concerns about the speed of the relationship. After all, Amy and Brian have only been publicly dating for a few months. Critics argue that it might be too soon after her divorce to jump into another serious commitment, especially one involving marriage. However, Amy's defenders point out that the heart wants what it wants, and in matters of love, timelines aren't always predictable. One particularly interesting twist in the story came when fans noticed that Amy's sons, Gage and Glenn, have begun calling Brian by affectionate nicknames, and he appears to be deeply involved in their daily lives. That kind of closeness often develops over time, but some insiders claim Brian has already stepped up as a father figure. Whether or not the couple is legally married, their bond seems undeniable. The pair recently vacationed together with the kids in what appeared to be a celebratory getaway. Although Amy didn't post many details about the trip, she did share a caption that read, "Best time of my life with my family." The word, family, struck a chord with followers, reinforcing the idea that Amy and Brian see themselves as a unit already. Adding further credibility to the wedding rumors is a video recently posted by Tammy Slaton, Amy's sister and co-star on the show. In the video, Tammy can be seen joking with Amy about walking down the aisle again, which sent fans into a frenzy. While the sisters are known for teasing each other, some believe Tammy may have unintentionally let the truth slip. Meanwhile, the TLC production team has remained silent, declining to comment on the current status of Amy's relationship. Some insiders suggest that a major wedding reveal is being carefully planned for the next season, which would explain the secrecy. Reality TV thrives on big surprises, and a wedding episode would no doubt draw major ratings. Still, others argue that Amy may have chosen a quiet, personal wedding precisely because she wanted to protect this new chapter from the chaos of public scrutiny. After everything she's been through, her dramatic weight loss journey, relationship struggles, motherhood, and mental health battles, it would make sense for her to keep this part of her life private, at least for now. The debate continues, with fans divided but deeply invested. Online forums, fan pages, and even Facebook groups dedicated to the show are abuzz with theories, wishful thinking, and screenshot sleuthing. Despite the mystery, one thing is certain, Amy Slaton seems genuinely happy. Whether or not she's officially a Lovan by name, her contentment shines through. In the end, fans may not need a wedding certificate or public confirmation to believe in Amy and Brian's love story. Their actions speak louder than words. From Brian's dedication to Amy's children to the subtle yet powerful ways Amy has embraced a new identity, the signs of a lasting commitment are all there. Whether the couple chooses to make it official in front of cameras, with a lavish ceremony, or in the privacy of their own hearts, fans are rooting for them. Until then, the mystery remains. Are Amy Slaton and Brian Lovan already married? Have they started their forever in secret, away from the cameras and fanfare? Or are they simply enjoying their engagement, letting love lead the way at its own pace? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear, Amy Slaton has turned the page and found joy again, and fans couldn't be happier to witness her evolution. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.